हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज राधे श्याम यादव। आज मैं पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रजिस्टर्स के बारे में बताऊंगा कि पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन कैसे किया जाता है और क्यों किया जाता है। पहले हम समझते हैं कि क्यों करना जरूरी है। जैसा कि हमने सीरीज रेजिस्टेंस में मैंने बताया था कि सभी रेजिस्टेंस को सम कर देते हैं, मीन्स इंडिविजुअल रेजिस्टेंस को जोड़ दिया जाता है तो उसका इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस निकल आता है। पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशंस में ये इसलिए कहा जाता है कि हमको रेजिस्टेंस कम चाहिए, लो रेजिस्टेंस। तो जिस भी सर्किट में हमको लो रेजिस्टेंस की जरूरत होती है, हम लोग पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करते हैं। So in this combination, two or more resistors are connected simultaneously between two points. So in this case, in the circuit, you can see these are the three resistors R1, R2 and R3. The one end is here and second end is here. So in this way it is connected in the circuit between the two points. Now in the parallel circuits, the voltage remains constant. जबकि हमने सीरीज सर्किट में क्या देखा था, वहां करंट रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट, लेकिन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में करंट वेरीज। वहां पे क्या था, वोल्टेज ड्रॉप था V1, V2, V3 इन सीरीज सर्किट। इन पैरेलल सर्किट्स करंट वेरीज, मीन्स current will be divided. Let us say the current I is, in this case, let us say that applied voltage V produces a current I that is getting divided, means through resistors R1 the current flowing will be I1, through resistors R2 current flowing will be I2, and through R3, that is the resistance number 3, it will be I3. So here we see the current is being divided, whereas in series circuit it was constant. Now the total current flow will be equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So the current flowing through we will add up, so I will becomes I1 plus I2 plus I3, and in this parallel combination voltage remains the constant. So when key is closed applied voltage V produces current I in the circuit, that is I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. In this circuit the current is being divided because of the resistors R1, R2, R3 connected in parallel. Now by applying Ohm's law, I1 will be equals to V by R1, I2 will be equals to V by R2, and I3 will be V by R3. So I1 will be V by R1, I2 will be V by R2, and I3 will be V by R3. Now since I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3, so we can say V upon R equals to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V3 V upon R3. So this is V by R, means if the total resistance is R in the circuit, so V by R, applied voltage is V, that will remain constant. So we will get this by applying the Ohm's law. Now V by R equals to, I will take V common, so I will get 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So we have taken V common in this case, so we will get 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now total resistance in this case, so V cancels, we will get 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So in the parallel combinations, the total resistance is 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So in this case, the total resistance, we see that it is less than the reciprocal of resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3, means effective resistance will be less than the individual resistance in the circuit. Now current is divided in this circuit, parallel circuits, currents are divided, and we see that voltage is constant. So हम इसको यूज कैसे करेंगे? जितने भी हमारे डोमेस्टिक अप्लायंसेज हैं, जैसे फैन हुआ, आपका बल्ब है, ये सब डिफरेंट करंट रेटिंग से बने होते हैं. इनकी करंट की रिक्वायरमेंट अलग अलग होती है, मतलब दे नीड different ratings of currents. So all the domestic appliances are connected in parallel because of this reason, that is current is different for individual appliances so that they can function properly. So this question may be asked, why parallel combination of resistances is used in domestic circuits? So your answer should be that since the current is divided in parallel circuits and the rating, that means requirement of the individual appliances is different for different functions, so they will get good amount of current to operate, and hence our appliances operates as per our requirements. So now with this, हमने क्या देखा कि पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में मिनिमम इफेक्टिव रेजिस्टेंस होता है, 2 or more resistors are connected simultaneously between 2 points. पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में वोल्टेज कांस्टेंट होता है, करंट डिवाइड हो जाती है थ्रू दी रेजिस्टर्स, और इसमें इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस होता है 1 by R इक्वल्स टू 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So with this I have completed the parallel combination of resistance for CBSE class 10th physics. Now please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share it. Thank you.